Good evening, all. It's Tina with TLC Travels, Tours, and Cruises with a quick, I hope I'm going to try to make it quick but thorough, room tour of the Homewood Suites by Hilton, Myrtle Beach, Oceanfront property. Today is Friday, December 20th, 2024. And it is approximately about 7:30 p.m. And I wanted to make sure I took this video before I junked up the room, before I finished unpacking and really took away from how nice and comfortable these suites are. This is a double queen suite, again, oceanfront, and we've got TV1 in the bedroom area, and we have a full, well, not a full, but we have a dining area, living room area, and right across from the dining area is the kitchen. You do have a full refrigerator, as you can see. It is really nice, especially for families. Your kitchen comes with sink, coffee maker, microwave, little stove top, and toaster. And there are utensils here, just a few. You've got dishes, just in case you don't want to carry all of that stuff. It's here for you. One other quick thing, and I'm sorry, I am trying not to move too fast so you don't get dizzy, but this is the full-size closet, and there is a safe in the suite to secure your valuables when you're out and about around Myrtle Beach. And as I stated, it is about 7:40-ish in the evening. But I'm very impressed with this property. Second TV, flat screen. And this is the view from here. And I've already done a video of the balcony right before it got dark, because I arrived right at about 5 o'clock. So the sun had already set, and couldn't see really too much, but so some activity going on down there. But you can see the video I took earlier. So yeah, this is it. This, again, wanted to show the room before I finish unpacking, and I'm going to be working here for a few days and doing a hotel tour. It's very nice here. They have a restaurant on site. It is in a good location in Myrtle Beach. It's in walking distance to some other restaurants. If you have good walking legs, your knees are still good, it'll be beneficial. But that's enough. I'm rambling now. So yeah, this is again, Homewood Suites by Hilton, Myrtle Beach, Oceanfront. And there you have it. I'll check back in with you later. Peace.